To install Ocean Streamz on a Firestick, start by navigating to the Settings section from the home screen. From there, select the option that corresponds to your device, and then choose the developer options. Within this section, enable the feature that allows the installation of apps from unknown sources. Next, locate and install the downloader app. Once the app is downloaded, open it and enter the URL for the Ocean Streamz APK file, which can be found at oceanstreamz.com or by using the bit.ly link. Wait for the file to download, and once the process is complete, the installer will launch automatically. Click the Install button to proceed, and after the installation is finished, you can either launch the app immediately by clicking Open or finish the process by clicking Done. This completes the installation of Ocean Streamz on a Firestick.